How to scan photos and documents on Android. So if you want to scan photos and documents on your Android, then what you need to do is, in many Androids you will have the scanning option on your camera. So just open up your camera. Once you open up your camera, now you just need to simply go with a document, and once you get a document kind of interface on your camera, then you just need to simply go with the left side, which has that document icon. It will automatically pop up on the left side. Tap on it and it will take you to the document mode, from where you'll be able to take a photo. Once you've taken the photo, you just need to simply go with the bottom left and open up that photo, and you can go with edit, which is here on the left side, and you can go with framing and crop that however you like, and after that go with the tick and save. Once you've saved, now this is how you can take photos or take your documents, right? So if you want to scan them, then you will have the scan option on your camera itself, but in my case I don't have that option. So in order to scan, you can simply install a third-party application, or you can just go with Google Lens. Once you go with Google Lens, you need to go with the image that you've just taken, and from here it will scan your document. And once it scans your document, then you'll be able to have all of the search with the current document. So that's how you can scan your photos or documents on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.